What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the TCL 20 Pro 5G. That's right, and I am shooting with the front-facing camera. This is 4K30. It doesn't do 4K60. Doesn't appear to do wide angle, but this is the 4K30. I'm up here in the living room, chilling, hanging out with the little buddy. As you can see, the little doggy. She's hanging out. She's tired chasing the puppy around all day, but I just kind of wanted to do a little, raw and authentic video of this front-facing camera on the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Testing out some different things with the camera, video cameras. Gonna get into some photos and stuff later, but wanted to check these out and just kind of give you guys a little bit of a test. I am going to walk outside from inside to outside just so you guys can get like a little feel of what it does when it light changes or whatever. It's a little backlit back. Dog going crazy over the puppy. Puppy's running for her life. But yeah, let's get some good lighting here. Let's see. It's sunny out. We're gonna do a little walk and talk, just so you can kind of see what it looks like on the front-facing camera here on the TCL 20 Pro 5G. But as you can see, you got some. Yeah, if you get some decent lighting here, I think it looks all right. I think any camera, if you shoot into, if you have it backlit, it's not gonna look good. So. But this, this doesn't look bad. I like the fact that it does have 4K30 on the front-facing camera. There's a lot of, I've even known flagships that don't have 4K on the front-facing camera at all. I don't know if you need 4K60. I don't even know if you need 4K30 on a front-facing camera, honestly. I think you can get by with 1080p on the front-facing camera. So, but this obviously does 1080p, does 720p. But this is the 4K footage of the TCL 20 Pro 5G. And look, this is me jumping off the couch, coming outside, hanging out with the dogs, that kind of thing. So but yeah, I mean, I think it looks okay. I mean, it looks decent. There goes another. Dogs are running around me, man, going crazy. But nice day on the lake today. But you can see it's kind of blown out there in the back. So you got that going on. But I think if you just want to do some vlogs or do some videos with your friends or something like that, I think you're going to be okay. But I just wanted to do a little sample test of the 4K30 on the front-facing camera. That's going to do it, man. Drop down in the links if you want to pick up this TCL 20 Pro 5G. $499, not a bad phone to have. Did an unboxing on it. Check that out. Hit that thumbs up button. Helps me out. Subscribe to the channel. And also leave a comment down below. That's going to do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Take care.